Welcome to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Okay, so someone asked, how can you invest starting small without losing all your money? If I set it and forget it and walk away, and I expected the price to go up to $20, but now it's down to $5, I just lost a ton of money. So you can put a stop loss, whether you're betting up or down. There's ways to calculate how much money you're willing to risk. And once it reaches that point, it'll get you out. Because sometimes, as many times as we follow the trend or we follow every algorithm that's out there, the market just have a mind of their own. So you can set up trades in a specific way that it in theory will make you money, but if it doesn't, you have a stop loss or set up in place to get you out of that trade without losing all of your money. You'll lose some of it, but not all of it. There's so many different methods of trading. You have your mechanical ranges, your visual ranges, your price assessment, buy range lows, sell range high, buy breakout, options, stocks. Then you have your cryptocurrency. The reality is that you can trade and make money whether the prices are going up or the price is going down. The biggest thing is to set rules. You want to make sure that you have money that you're okay with losing just to start off with. When you are making money, you want to make sure that you have stop losses and such to make sure that you don't lose everything in that event. You want to diversify. You want to make sure that all of your eggs are not in one basket. The biggest thing that I could say is keep the emotions out of it. And I could tell you examples. It's very hard to do that. The rule of thumb on trading is buy low, sell high. So you want to buy when the prices are low, and you want to sell when the prices are high. A lot of times when you're trading, if you're doing it on your own, you can set up paper accounts on various different platforms. And what that is you're basically trading with pretend money just to get a feel for it, to make sure you're doing good. And when you start making money consistently, you can move that into actual real money to invest. And I remember way back in the day, decades ago, maybe some 30 years ago, when I first started doing this. It's very hard to take the emotions out because this is your hard-earned money. So it's easy to put money. I was day trading at the time, and you can make $5,000 in 5 minutes. You can make $10,000, $20,000, and then lose it just as fast. And I remember it's my own money, so I'm making money, and it's doing great. And all of a sudden, it dips, and I lose it. And I'm like, oh my God! First thing you want to do is get out of it. Well, then the stock. If you notice the stock markets, they go up, down, and sometimes they go down and bounce off. So when it goes down, I'm like, oh my God, I lost it. You sell it, and then the price starts to shoot up again. I'm like, oh, it's doing good. You buy it. What am I doing now? I'm not selling high and buying low. I'm selling low and buying high. That's the worst thing that you can do. Ironically, I had set up a paper account, and I kind of forgot about that years ago. But there's no emotion. So if I lost $10,000 in 5 minutes, like, all right, it'll be okay. It'll work out. Do you know if that was my real money today, I'd be a millionaire? I just happened to look back on it not that long ago, and this is something, like I said, I set up many years ago. But it was just exponentially large because there was no emotion involved, because it wasn't my actual money. So again, keep the emotions out of it. You want to have money that you're okay with losing. Start off. And then there's actual, say for example, an app. I think it's called Stash. And again, I don't work for them. I'm not getting a commission. I'm just giving you an example. You can put money in there. You can put $5, $10, $15. You can put automatic investments where you say, okay, I want to invest $5 a week, $10 a week, $100, whatever the case may be. And it has various different options to and it diversifies. You can have a personal account, retirement account, custodial account. Say, for example, here, you can explore all investments. So trending stocks, large global corporations, recent IPOs, which is when a company gets listed, top stock-backed earned, consumer staples, energy, finance, healthcare, industrial material, media, real estate, retail, tech, utilities, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, crypto, all stocks. You can basically set something like that, diversify your portfolio, and even if, let's just say crypto, let's just say it's trading at, I don't know, $500 a share, and you only are investing maybe $100 a month, it'll put in pieces of that because they're buying it in a basket anyway, so it's not just your money they're investing. But so for crypto, they have alternative coins, Bitcoins, Ethereum, Universe. There's just so much, and if you only put in a percentage, that's all it'll invest for you. But it's a way of diversifying your portfolio where you have just you have a good diversified portfolio and you can set it and forget it. And just make sure that's money that you are okay with losing, because it will go up and down, and that's just the nature of the stock market. It goes up, it goes down, it's like a roller coaster ride. But one thing I just want to point out, I am not a licensed broker. I am not giving any trading advice. I'm not giving any investment advice. I'm giving an opinion of just things that I've learned. But in no way, shape, or form am I giving you advice. I don't want to be legally held accountable if something went wrong. So just make sure you do your due diligence, you do this on your own, you seek legal or financial advice if necessary. And again, this is just my 2 cents from my own experience. I'm not giving advice, I'm not telling you what to do, I'm not telling you how to do it, and I'm not representing a licensed broker. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's EDBISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486.